Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing three cryptocurrencies which are Ripple, TRON and Stellar. We will see where they might move over the next weeks. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis for free, while if you want to receive our real-time trading signals and our alerts, then you can join our growing community on Patreon. You will find the link in the description field. Let's start with Ripple. As you can see here with a weekly chart. Over my last YouTube videos, I've been clearly stating that Ripple was doomed to move up, which actually is happening right now. What we see here is a huge increase in terms of volumes. I've been receiving several questions once Ripple was moving down based on the SEC lawsuit. I've been clearly suggesting my Patreon to keep the position or even to accumulate, and the reason was because those volumes are clearly telling us that the big hands, the strong hands, were accumulating, and they were accumulating even more once they saw Ripple going down. What we see here is that a break above 0.70 US dollar was the main point to see, the main key threshold, the main horizontal resistance from where we have seen a huge movement up. So what is going to happen next? We will see Ripple keep going up, so very first target 2 US dollar, but definitely Ripple is going to move to retest actually the 3 US dollar area between 3 and 3.50. We will experience Ripple retracing strongly. Okay, so right now we are strongly bullish. Ripple is going to hit firstly 2 US dollar in a matter of few days. Then I do believe we are experiencing some squeezing, and then we will be attacking 3 US dollar between 3 and 3.50 US dollar. We are definitely going to experience a retrace for Ripple. But the volume analysis is clearly telling us that we are definitely breaking above the previous all-time high at 3.80 US dollar. We will experience a movement for Ripple at least till 7.58 US dollar. Okay, so this the ultimate real target for the next month for Ripple. Okay, so 2, then 3 and 3.50, then strong retrace, and then the attack to hitting 7.50, 8 US dollar for Ripple over the next months. And then let's move on and let's analyze TRON. What we see here for TRON, actually differently from Ripple, where we see a huge accumulation in terms of volumes, almost constant. For TRON we see a spike in volumes, which means a point of control after a prolonged period of low volatility. As I've been explaining several times, after a prolonged period of low volatility, we know, based on the standard deviation, based on statistic studies, that we should be expecting a huge movement. Obviously, we don't know if the huge movement is down, will be down or will be up, but clearly in this case, I was expecting a break for TRON above 0.10 US dollar. So where we're going to see TRON over the next weeks, definitely we are going to retest the very first area between 0.18 and 0.20 US dollar in a matter of few days, maximum few weeks. And then same scenario for Ripple, we are going to retest 0.30 US dollar. From there, a period of squeezing, TRON will be moving accordingly or very similarly to what we are experiencing for Cardano. So after 0.30 US dollar, I expect a period of squeezing, a period of retracing, and then before the end of the summer, I do believe we are breaking above the 0.30 US dollar. I do remind that based on the cyclical studies that have been underlying, especially for Ethereum, I do believe the current bull trend should last at least till July. Let's say that then July late summer, and afterwards we should be experiencing a strong retrace and for Ethereum especially, we will see a new movement up, a new strong movement up between November and December. So I study Ethereum in terms of cycles because of its nature, which actually can be reflected for all the other cryptocurrencies. Now let's move on and let's analyze Stellar. Stellar, as you can see here, we have just hit 0.60 US dollar. Now, if we compare Stellar with TRON and with Ripple, we see that actually Stellar has the relative strength higher when compared with the two previous cryptocurrencies, which means out of the three, actually Stellar seems to be the strongest one. Yet, in terms of risk-reward ratio, right now the cryptocurrencies which will be moving faster will be definitely Ripple, because actually there is a lot of space from here till the all-time high. Okay, so my choice will be Ripple number 1, Tron number 2, and Stellar number 3 for the next weeks. And the reason is because, as I've been saying, Stellar is already ahead of the other two cryptocurrencies. So what we see here, very first point of control at 0.60 US dollar, I've been clearly calling for retrace. You can watch my previous videos when I've been forecasting a retrace, which actually happened from 0.60. We went till 0.40 US dollar. Here we see a hammer, almost a reversal pin ball, but I would say more a hammer. That when happened, here we have a second, another 1, 2, 3 hammer. This is the third hammer when that happens at the end of downtrend. Actually, is telling us that we should be experiencing a reversal in terms of trend. Actually, what happened is that we have seen a new long white candle in association with a long white candle, okay, for in terms of volume. So what we are seeing here is that actually we see a new long white candle breaking above 0.60. Today is just Tuesday, so let's wait the end of the week, but definitely we want to enter at the break of 0.60 end of week, and definitely after breaking above 0.60, but again let's wait at the end of the week, because we might see again a new long black candle, that in other words that could be just a fake breakout. So let's wait till at least Saturday, Sunday. Then if we see a long white candle breaking above this 0.60 US dollar, for those one who are not hodling Stellar, it will be a great opportunity to start buying or starting accumulating. Okay, so definitely at the break of 0.60 US dollar, we are going to experience a Stellar going to hit 1 US dollar in a very fast and furious ways. Thank you, guys.